How confident are we in the Eastwood Paintless Dent Removal Kit? So confident, Ryan hit the quarter panel of his perfectly straight Denali with a hammer just to show he could pull the dent out and make it straight again. Now that's confidence. Now let's check this kit out and show you how easy it is to use. And remember to visit Eastwood.com to get more info on this tool at any time. Just click or tap the button in the top corner of the video. Small dents can really ruin the appearance of a car, whether it's from a stone, hail damage, shopping cart, or someone who opened their door into your car. Getting them out can be costly, especially if you have a bunch of them. So a kit like this can save you a lot of money, especially if removing the dents also helps increase the resale value of your car. Eastwood has a lot of methods to remove dents, from just about every shape of hammer and dolly to match the contours of your body panels or get into tight areas, to bullseye picks, which are great for hard to reach places or tiny imperfections, and MIG stud weld kits that allow you to attach studs to the dents and then use a slide hammer to pull them out. These are all great for restorations or if you're planning on repainting the panel or car. But if it's a daily driver or a car you don't want to repaint, you'll need a paintless dent removal kit. This kit comes with everything you need: glue sticks, an electric hot glue gun, slide hammer dent puller, a lever type dent puller, an assortment of reusable plastic buttons to match the size and shape of the dent, a nylon scraper, spray bottle, and a case to keep everything. Like I said, Ryan had enough confidence in this tool he began by hitting his car with a hammer just to make a dent in the side of the panel. You can really see the dent in the reflection of the Eastwood logo. To remove a dent, select the size and shape button that matches the dent. Place glue on the button and attach to the car in the center of the dent. After about a minute, you can remove the dent. There are two options: the slide hammer or the lever type puller. If you want to use the slide hammer, simply attach it to the button and slide the weight out. We're not using the slide hammer to remove this dent, but this is how it would work. To use the lever type dent puller, attach it to the button and adjust the knob until the pad's set firmly against the car and pull the handle. Spray denatured alcohol on the glue and use the plastic non-marring scraper to remove it. As you can see, the dent is partially removed. We'll move to a smaller button and repeat the process, applying the glue, attaching the button, and pulling the dent. With the glue removed, you can see that there's still a small dent. So we'll move to a smaller button and repeat the process a third time. With the glue cleaned off the car, you can see the nearly perfect reflection of the Eastwood logo in the paint. In a few minutes, the dent was removed and the car looks great again. Just look at the difference in the panel with the dent to after it was removed with the paintless dent removal kit. Now, I'm not telling you to swing a hammer at your car just so you can use this tool, but if you're looking for a great way to remove dents without having to repaint your vehicle, you should click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link to visit Eastwood.com.